Hi, my name is David Lee. I'm Asian with Hat, and you're watching USAirsoft!
Last time, in part 4 of Airsoft GI's Operation Dawnbreaker, we saw the end of Game 1 with the Rebels losing their advantage on the field. What came next though was really awesome, as a lot of people got some new gear, and some even won themselves a whole new gun thanks to GI Tactical and of course Elite Force. Next up is Game 2 that'll solidify a winning faction on the D14 field in Sanger. So let's get right into it. You're watching USAirsoft, and this is of course the Texas gameplay you love.
What's your 20? I need your 20. You're coming down to give me reinforcements.
Where do you see him?
They're way up there, but I'm not going to be able to get them.
Don't waste ammo unless you have a clear shot.
I do have.
You got it, boss.
What's going on, buddy?
We can get something up here. Move up.
We got 3 on the plane. Yep. Ooh, hey.
Oh, that's
All right. We got these guys that are ready to make a run.
Let's do this. I got toe cramp. Guys ready? Yeah. Y'all press?
Bad Bill.
Move it, stay put. Press it. Press, press. That's good. Medic! I'm pressing in further. We need to get covered. Hey! Someone hit medic me in. Anybody can medic a medic in.
Behind tent, all behind tent.
No, not forward. Out.
All behind tent. Get the smoke out if you can. Go, go! Get the smoke that's covered! Let's go!
There's one on the left.
Dude, push that hit.
Anybody lose 9?
Hey, right side, you got guys going through the bush.
Yeah. Oh, watch out.
Hi, Sam. Here.
Ah, great.
Watch this cover. Oh, dang. Watch out, dude.
Hit.
You good?
Hit. Hey, hey.
You good? Anyone else down?
Dude, I'm up to like 50 kills. There you go, Big Daddy. Come on, play with Daddy. Play with Daddy. You know you out, Daddy. Come on, come and get me. Come and get some. Come and get some. You hit. You hit. Who wants some? You hit. You hit. You hit. Who's my next customer?
Good.
They're straight this way.
Hold on. Right side of the brown building. Hold on the top. Say it again. Hey, can you give me some covering fire on the brown building immediately in front of us? And we move up and revive these guys.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
And with the Imperials finally breaching a town, I'd have to wrap up this gameplay here, but I hope you enjoyed those clean hits. Tune in next time when the game comes close to an end, or maybe I'll just throw everything into one last big part. I don't know, so I'll leave that up to you guys in the comments. But until that next bit of gameplay drops from the city of San Antonio, this has been Scott Holmbeck, and I'll be sure to see you all next time.